I request all the participants to maintain the decorum and discipline during the entire event. I request Professor Dr. Shantini Mokhtar Ma'am, Head of School of Civil Engineering of Dr. Vishwanath Karat, MIT World Peace University, to take over.
We deeply mourn, we deeply mourn the sad demise of our strongest pillar, Apte Sir, yesterday on 29th April 2021. For the Dr. Vishwanath Karad World Peace University, he was the strongest pillar and the void we cannot replenish in any way. He joined us 15 years back as a MIT School of Business Management director. Before that, he retired as a group captain, serving the defense for 25 years. For the other facet of his personality, where he was a NLP trainer and a counselor and had touched almost many people all over the globe, the student community, and had counseled them out of their grievances. He had received a Best Teacher Award in 2009, Best Director Award in 2013. He had also won the Pune Shikshak Gaurav Award in 2014. He had authored 12 books in the various domains in the as well as NLP. To remember him, for us, his many initiatives were the eco-friendly paper shredding machine, the biogas plant which had installed in the campus, and the dry leaves fertilizer units. For us, he was a disciplined administrator, a very enthusiastic and energetic registrar, and a supportive and a motivating pro vice chancellor. He retired all in October month as a pro vice chancellor, but he was very active and had served even then as an advisor. We had been looking up to him for many activities, say ROC We remember him for the Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad and the entire streamlining effect he had for almost 10,000 students all over the globe every year. We will pay homage to his soul today by keeping a silence of 1 minute. I hold all of you to pray for his departed soul. And we wish that wherever he is in the same ever smiling face of his, bringing smile to all of the other souls around him. Will maintain a 1 minute silence, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All the participants are requested to attend the entire valedictory function, as by the end, we will be announcing the winners. Welcome back, everyone. We are delighted to see the response of our civil enthusiasts. Now that we are approaching the end of our event, before moving ahead with our valedictory function, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty with our prayer. Peace represents euphonious music, a cosmic melody, far superior to discords of commotion. Let this prayer awaken the love and harmony within us. I request everyone to join hands and close their eyes for the peace prayer.
नमो जियाद्या वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवा तूची गणेशु सकलार्थ मति प्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारी गोजी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
The prayer conveys that peace may prevail in the sky, on earth, in plants, in Brahma, the Creator, with everyone. May there be peace, prosperity, and fraternity everywhere. We also pray for those who have been affected by this pandemic and wish for everyone's good health. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not only legacy, but also a matter of pride that this is how we always start our day's work at Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT, World University. This is a way of living home, the truth, knowledge, intelligence, Atman, and consciousness. Hope every soul is enlightened today with this prayer. I request the co-convener of Nirmiti 2021, Professor Pravin Minde sir, to give us a glimpse of the entire event.
A very good evening, everyone. Every participant performed brilliantly throughout the event and hence hold a special place in our hearts. Nirmiti is an annual national level civil engineering symposium. Over the past 2 decades, Nirmiti has widened its horizon and it has become one of the best platforms for students, as it provides them an opportunity to showcase their talent and compete with skilled civil enthusiasts from all over the globe. This was Nirmiti's debut as an online event, and we actively hopped on the trend. This glorious symposium emerged incredibly meritorious. Nirmiti 2021 was organized from 29th April to 30th April and featured 8 mega events, namely Technoquiz, e-tendering, town planning, softcon, paper presentation, pitch hunt, civic group, and RILA. More than 150 colleges participated from diverse parts of the world, including IITs and BITS Dubai. It was a feather in our hat, and we were honored to host Nirmiti 2021 online via Zoom platform for a record-breaking more than 1,400 competitors. In spite of pandemic, the event generated sponsorship of approx 2 lakhs from various sponsors. The symposium was inaugurated on 29th April by Mr. Manoj Deshmukh, ex-chairman, Builders Association of India, Pune Center, as our chief guest, and guest of honor, Mr. Vijay Kolle, Assistant Secretary of MSVT, and Ms. Seema Kolle from Government Polytechnic, Pune. For the first time in the history of School of Civil Engineering, Concrete, the civil newsletter was introduced and inaugurated by the chief guest. The event was further constantly promoted using social media platform, website, advertisement, and banners, which help us to boost the participation. Coming to the organization teams, the organizing committee was spearheaded by Aryan Sharma perfectly. The sponsorship committee led by Mr. Ankit Rathi scored the essential funding for the event. Registration committee led by Masum built the backbone of the entire event. And the symposium, every event was completely monitored by Payal Navle and Siddesh Shinde. and indeed, their hard work has completely paid off. The publicity of media team led by the Shaunak elevated the event in all its glory. Forged in the sweat of our first year student and hammered by the grit of our co-organizers, Nirmiti 2021 was born. All the efforts taken by the team of 85 students under the mentorship of all dedicated faculty members are truly appreciated. One more announcement regarding Campus Ambassador Program. We have launched Campus Ambassador Program this year. The intent of Campus Ambassador Program is to develop a holistic setup for engineering students to understand management concept and also tap into publicity and marketing advantage. Mr. Rohit Patil is going to share the details of the Campus Ambassador Program. So, Rohit, can you come in?
Thank you so much, sir. We are happy to announce that we received a total 57% boost in publicity and 33% spike in registration process. Campus ambassadors were able to facilitate the event to 150 plus colleges, which included state, national, and international involvement. This was the debut year of CAP program, but we will strive that in coming years, CAP program will try to expand into many more horizons.
Thank you, Rohit, and thank you, Professor Minde. Moving on, I now request Professor Dr. H.R. Magar Patil, Associate Head of School of Civil Engineering, Dr. Vishwanath Karat, MIT World Peace University, to present the welcome address.
Thank you, Samruddhi. Thank you, Minde sir. Thank you, Rohit. A lovely and warm evening to our most valued and worthy guests, dignitaries, faculties, students, and friends. It's a matter of pride for me that I'm welcoming here in this function. Civil engineering is mother branch of all other branches, and very importantly, a challenging engineering field. We, the civil engineers, plays with nature and natural materials. Hence, most of the basics are based on assumptions, and assumptions are made on the basis of huge laboratory work. People always used to say civil engineering is very easy. It is not. It is nothing but common sense. But mind you, my dear friends, common sense is also uncommon. People choose this field by choice, and those who are ready to accept challenges every day and every minute. I welcome you all to the valedictory function of Nirmiti 2021. Before we start this function, on behalf of School of Civil Engineering and MIT World Peace University, I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. KP Purushothaman sir, for spending his precious time with us. I would like to thank our respected VC sir, Dean sir, for giving us their consent. I welcome all the students, student organizing committee, and faculties without whom conduction of this event was just unimaginable. The ideas and also with the execution process was just awesome. So I welcome all for this August gathering. At the end of the event, I want to make sure that everyone has enjoyed during these 2 days. In fact, no stone has been left unturned in making their performance look spectacular. Moreover, I know all are waiting for the prize distribution ceremony and the speech by our guest of honor for today's function. I'm sure that the speech of our guest is not just a string of words, but will be a powerful motivational speech. They not only help us grow, but also strengthen our creativity and knowledge. In this college, sport and other cultural activities are given equal importance of consideration with the studies. I welcome all the people who have been strength of each event. Specifically, media, I welcome all the sponsors also. Now here, on this occasion, I want to read a poem which is written by me. It is in Marathi. Please, those who are not understanding Marathi, I will send them by email in English. मी स्थापत्य अभियंता, वीट, माती, वाळू, खडी हेच माझं जीवन. ऊन वारा आणि पाऊस धारा, डोक्यावर हेल्मेट, हातात टेप, खिशामध्ये कोळंबा आणि पायात बूट. सुंदर स्वप्न साकारते आणि एक मूलभूत गरज भागते. चीनची भिंत घ्या, आयफेल टॉवर घ्या, झुलता मनोरा घ्या किंवा ताज घ्या, हे सर्व आश्चर्य ही आमचीच. देवाची मोहमाया आणि विठ्ठलही वीटच घेतो पाया. That's all. Thank you, my dear friends.
Thank you, sir. We loved your poem. Thank you for such a warm welcome. Moving on, today we are honored to have with us Mr. K.P. Purushothaman sir as our chief guest. Mr. K.P. Purushothaman sir has a bachelor's degree in civil engineering and an MBA in construction management. Having an extensive 33 years of experience in the field of construction, sir has planned and executed major projects in India. The total length of roads constructed and maintained under his leadership is way more than 5,000 kilometers. He supervised the entire construction of the Rohtang Tunnel of about 9.02 kilometers, including civil and EM works. This has been considered as one of the toughest tunnels and could be accomplished despite all adverse conditions, with passing through shear zone, having heavy ingress of water, carrying huge quantities of muck, along with squeezing and tunnel busting. Sir is also a chartered engineer and fellow of Institution of Engineers. He was honored by the President of India with the Vishisht Seva Medal and the Param Vishisht Seva Medal. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. And I now request you to address the audience.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to appreciate the effort by MRT World Peace WPE for their effort to conduct such a program. For the civil engineers, I would like to say your future is bright, because country's economy is boosting and this country is going to invest huge amount in the infrastructure development. You can see a lot of roadworks, highways are coming up. Once you go any part of the nation, the last 10-15 years, highway construction is boosted up. And many other like civil engineering structures, I would like to mention any underground tunneling industry that is also coming up largely. Then, as I told, highway construction, then hydroelectric projects, irrigation projects. These are all coming up largely in the nation, and economy boost means government is going to invest a lot of money. Like main agencies in highway, I would like to say NHAI is investing more than 1 lakh crore rupees, 1 lakh crore per year. NHIDCL, Bureaus organization, in many PWDs, they are all investing a lot of money in infrastructure development. Infrastructure development means civil engineering work. As an introductory speech, Professor H.R. Magar has told, civil engineering is the basic engineering. Because when my childhood, I know if anybody say engineer means he is a civil engineer. And somebody was just now mentioning civil engineering means just common sense. It is not the situation now. It was the basic situation many years ago. Now we are doing everything high technological, advancement is being done. Now you see one, say, multi-storied building takes years together to construct. But now, like countries like China, even 30-storied building has been constructed within 28 days. 14-story building within 14 days. So this is the advancement. Engineer means what actually? Our duties, any progress means do that progress in shortest period. Earlier, we couldn't even imagine such a length of road being constructed in short time. Bituminous work, blacktopping works, it takes years together. Now, NHI is constructing almost more than 30 kilometers road per day. So this is the progress now. So for this, we are also like work like engineer, any other engineer, and all scientific research in improvement of materials, in how it is to be used, and what is the design, optimization of design. Everything is to be done, and this is highly technical work only. So I want to tell the civil engineering students, your future is very bright. There are a lot of job opportunities once you get out of the college. It is there. The maximum number of job opportunities are going to come in civil engineering. There is no doubt of it. At least next 10, 20 years, there is no doubt of it. Maximum investment is being done in that field. So I wish all the students a bright future, all the best after completing the academic career. And also for MIT WP, all the best in all their future endeavors. And I expect such platform, such functions to be conducted regularly to review and update the knowledge, new technologies in the civil engineering field. This is what is required, because what is being taught in college is something different. Like once we leave the college, actually, if I was told somebody to execute something, we were just clueless. We should know what is actually going on the ground. There should, in academic, along with the academic career, we should have so many site studies, site visits. These are to be conducted, so that once the students leave from the college, they should be directly able to execute work immediately after going out of the college. This is the requirement I would like to say, to just to concentrate on this. And once again, I wish all the students all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for redefining civil engineering for all of us. I now request sir to officially inaugurate and unveil the conference proceedings of the event paper presentation.
I unveil the proceedings of the event.
Thank you, sir. Moving on the behalf of everyone at Dr. Vishwanath Karad MIT World Peace University and School of Civil Engineering, I would like to thank all our sponsors for extending their generosity. Sponsors this season are philanthropic individuals who collaborated with Nirmiti's 21st edition even during these tough times. It has really sent a buzz through the entire team and everyone connected with us. A matter of great honor for Nirmiti 2021 to have Jairaj Group as our title sponsor. To our associates here from Jairaj Group, we are very grateful. We are grateful to Salmon Infra for assisting us in our sponsorship funding for the year 2021. As for the tradition that has been imprinted since its inception of Rotary Youth Leadership Award, we have Rotary Club Sinhagad Road as the title sponsor for RILA. To our associates here from Rotary Club Sinhagad Road, we are very grateful. My ovations to Blueprints Media for being the backbone of all software-related episodes in Nirmiti 2021. To our collaborators here from Blueprints Design, we express our heartfelt acknowledgement. Coming to our next sponsor. Since the day of their establishment, about 44 years ago, they have been executing work in various fields of civil engineering with excellent quality, high speed, and consistent results. That is the HND Group. They have also acquired special capabilities and have a vast experience in the field of wastewater treatment, its disposal, and reuse. With innovative technologies, they were able to carve a niche for themselves in the field of environmental engineering. We are proud to have them as one of our sponsors. Thank you. We are extremely thankful to have aided support and guidance from Sarthak developers. We highly appreciate Pune Mahametro for collaborating for the debut online version of Nirmiti 2021. We are elated to have a prestigious organization like Pune Mahametro with us. We wish to convey our appreciation to know-how for facilitating sponsorship needs for our event, CV Fruits. I'm very obliged to thank Campus Times Pune for being a youth and social media sponsor. Further, a special vote of appreciation for the faculty members who helped us in sufficing our funding needs. We are highly appreciative to our previous sponsors. Thank you. Moving on, today we have with us the President of Rotary Club of Pune, Sinhagad Road, Mrs. Mrinmayee Pasaikar. She has a master's degree in Fine Arts from SNDT Pune and in Personnel Management from Sinhagad Institute. Ma'am worked as an art and craft teacher in Sinhagad School. From 2008, she is associated with Sankalp Education Society as a trustee. She also owns a company in Singapore named Cressida Ventures LLP, which works in the education sector and infrastructure development. I kindly request ma'am to address the audience.
Thank you, Samruddhi. Good evening, one and all, respected dignitaries, faculty members, Nirmiti core team, and participants, students, and my Rotarian friends. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Sunil Pimpikar sir and MIT College for giving me an opportunity, rather giving us an opportunity to be a part of wonderful event that is Nirmiti 21. This is very unique and one of a kind competition. This is very innovative. We Rotarians are very happy to conduct RILA, the RILA which was mentioned by Samruddhi right now. RILA is Rotary Youth Leadership Award. This RILA is mainly conducted for the development of young Rotarian are called Rotaracts and are keen to develop and enrich their intrapersonal skills. The Rotaract age is 18 to 30 years. Here, I would like to take an opportunity to invite all the participant students to join Rotaract, which is really a very great organization. Once again, on behalf of Rotary Club, I'm Mrinmayee, thanking you all the participants and core committee members for conducting online event, which is very successful, and all the best to all the participants. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Moving on, it is the prize distribution now. I request Harshit and Rutu to announce the winners of Nirmiti 2021.
The sparkle of fire is the witness of our worth. The silent flaunt of water is the evidence to our calmness. The sunrise in the east and the sunset in the west is the proof of our rhythm. The musical alteration of the moon is the witness of our perfection. These words are the witness of our participants' glory. Every competitor was pumped up. My dearest audience, the wait is over. It's now time for the most awaited part of Nirmiti, the prize distribution.
These are the campus ambassadors for Nirmiti 2021. Their duties were to bring in participants, registrations, and do publicity and marketing for the same. The one who performed best in this program is Sahil Narkar from AP Shah College of Technology, Thane.
Dear audience, hold on to your seats as we take the liberty to announce the names of those who emerged victorious from our events.
We are extremely excited to announce the winners of our very first event, Techno Quiz. Our second runner-up is Yash Saini. Our first runner-up is Khemali Manohar Firke. Our winner for this event is Sudham Kailas Gorhe. Our special diploma incentive goes to Namrata Sunil Kante.
For the event e-tendering, we have Mayur Santosh Jaiswal as the second runner-up, Aditya Bilapate as the first runner-up, and the winner of e-tendering event is Siddharth Paunikar. The special diploma incentive for e-tendering goes to Shivprabhu Atul Gaikwad.
The contestants who emerged victorious in town planning are Prathamesh Dhumal and Mahesh Tube. Second, bagging the second place, we have Sohan Kanse and Madhura Akant. Our winner for this event is Girija Sarangdhar. Our special diploma incentive goes to Prathamesh Todarwal, Kamlesh Bohite, and Sanika Sejwal.
Moving on to the winners of SoftCon, for AutoCAD division, we have Benson Matthews as the second runner-up, and we have Kashish Shah as the first runner-up, and we have Swapnil More as the winner of AutoCAD. The special diploma incentive for AutoCAD goes to Hina Gulum Russell Patan.
Let us go ahead and move on to the win.
For Revit, we have Tejas Vakchuare as the second runner-up, and we have Swapnil More as the first runner-up, and the winner of Revit is Rajveer Singh Huda. A special diploma incentive for Revit goes to Hina Gulum Russell Patan. For MS Project, we have Suyash Bandari as the second runner-up, and we have Devashish Mehta as the first runner-up, and the winner of MS Project is Amrita Sudhir. The special diploma incentive for MSP goes to Harsh Manish Mehta.
Let us go ahead and move on to the winners of paper presentation. We have Shreya Sumant and Famia Hiroli bagging the third place. We have Jayashree R. Patil and Shubham S. Chaudhary bagging the second place. We have Ashutosh Thakre as the winner. Our special diploma incentive goes to Mohsin Sherkil and Parth Oza.
The winners of Pitch Hunt are Ashutosh, who won the second runner-up, Rankita Taide, who is the first runner-up.
The special appreciation incentive for this event goes to Gurpreet Marwa and Harshada Solkar, Vinayak Chaple, Tushar Rakte, and Naresh Chaudhary.
The winners of Pitch Hunt are Ashutosh, who won the second runner-up, Rankita Taide, who won the first runner-up, and the winner of Pitch Hunt is Pranay Kadse. A special diploma prize for Pitch Hunt goes to Nandini Diore.
Let us move on to CV Cruz. Our second runner-up is Anjali Shah. Our first runner-up is Arbaz Fakhruddin Khan. Our winner is none other than Rohit Patil. A special diploma incentive goes to Sharvari Dabir.
Coming on to our last event, Raila, we have Anamika Sant, Aditya Mahale, Vishwarat Sisodia, and Sumant Wadhwane, who won the second runner-up. And we have Ganesh Mantri along with Akshita Jadhav, who won the first runner-up. And the winner of the event, Raila, is Gauri Alave. A special diploma prize for Raila goes to Utkarsh Alave.
This year, we have a special recognition of cash prizes to 4 diploma students on behalf of Professor Dr. Mridula Kulkarni ma'am in the memory of her late father, Engineer Rajaram Deshpande. He was a superintendent engineer, BNC, Government of Maharashtra. He designed and carried out construction of several bridges and roads in Maharashtra. So the late engineer Rajaram Deshpande Memorial Prize goes to Chinmay Mahatre from Government Polytechnic, Mumbai. Second, Snehal Kamble from Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Third, Urvashi Seth from Government Polytechnic, Pune. And fourth, Prajakta Grude from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. A heartfelt congratulations to all the champions for their victory. When push comes to shove, there will be winners. There will also be competitors who might not end up in the top 3. But that doesn't make them incompetent, as it is the effort that counts. So my dearest participants, strive to excel. We will have many victors, but it's the participation that matters. Let us also remind all of you that the true achievement of Nirmiti is the exchange of ideas and establishment of new relationships that paints our life's canvas. Nirmiti grants us to visualize the world beyond our daily spheres of influence and expand our minds by enabling us to push ourselves to new standards of excellence. We'll also be putting up the names of all the winners on our social media accounts, so do check it out. I now request Professor Suman Shinde sir to say a few words.
Thank you very much. So is it audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
So good evening to all. So this evening, on the occasion of today's national event, Nirmiti 2021, hosted by MIT-WPU School of Civil Engineering, I feel very happy to stand here in the middle of the dignitaries and the students. So to the chief guest, Mr. K.P. Krishna, so today's chief guest, K.P. Purushottaman, then Mrs. Mrunmay Pasalkar ma'am, Dr. Shantini Bakil ma'am, head of the School of the Civil Department, then Dr. H.R. Magar Patil sir, associate head, Dr. Mridula Kulkarni madam, Dr. Sunil Pimplikar sir, the convener of the Nirmiti, Dr. Sandeep Patnis sir, Professor Praveen Minde sir, co-convener, then R.N. Sharma, student coordinator, and all the members of the organizing team and my colleagues. So firstly, I would like to congratulate all the participants for their performance and excelling in their events. I would also like to express hearty congratulations to the organizing team for organizing such a magnificent event. So all the event heads, volunteers have worked hard to make this event a grand one. I appreciate their dedication. So MIT World Peace University commits to the all-round development of the students. So we manage this by concentrating on not only the mental development of our students, but also their physical and spiritual development. MIT WPU designed an updated curriculum as per the need of the industry, which reflects the latest technological developments. So this year, we have added special incentives for the diploma students by giving them special prizes. The involvement of diploma students has also made our bond stronger and better with the polytechnics across the Maharashtra. We are trying to plan many more projects which will involve the participation of diploma students. Diploma students become technically sound during their 3 years course, but in the modern era, graduation is the necessity in order to plot a roadmap for more career opportunities. So many students from our school have excelled in competitive examinations like MPSC and UPSC. So they have been at prestigious positions all over India and abroad. So MIT-WPU has observed large number of students admitted directly to SYBTech after diploma. So large number of scholarships and fees concessions are given to the direct second year students. All the details are available on the website. Diploma students can take provisional admissions for direct second year on the basis of 5th semester marks. Registration link is provided on the website. The School of Civil Engineering Department is having well-equipped research laboratories. Among all the laboratories, subsea laboratory, heavy structure laboratory, and structural dynamics laboratory are unique laboratory in our college. So our department organizes industrial visits, expert lectures, seminars, conferences, etc. So School of Civil Engineering is having student chapter with the Indian Society of Structural Engineering, Indian Institute of Bridge Engineering, Indian Concrete Institute, and the Ferrocement Society. School of Civil Engineering is having more than 200 industrial contacts. It ensures internships. It ensures the internship is provided to all the students in the tough time of pandemic situation. So it is my pleasure to be a part of this organization. So once again, I thank you all Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our organizing committee member, Payal Navde, to say a few words.
We'd like to applaud and appreciate the entire Nirmiti team's fruitful efforts. Personally speaking, Nirmiti is not just an event, but also an emotion for all of us. We've been working for it since our first year. As this symposium is by the students and for the students, neither of them has disappointed us. The team has been working tirelessly for months to make Nirmiti 2021 a grand success. We are lucky enough to have our core team for their involvement and willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. The volunteer squad was always present to the rescue. For a grandeur event like this, the wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye details which wouldn't have been possible without our registration team. Our sponsorship team is utterly responsible to make our symposium a financial success. Our highly motivating designing team and articulate heads made our event look incredibly desirable. Also, our group of dedicated marketing enthusiasts made Nirmiti globally acclaimed. Last but not the least, we have been fortunate enough to be backed by our beloved teachers who guided us throughout the process. Thank you so much, everyone, to make this event a grand success.
Thank you so much, Payal. Now I request the convener of Nirmiti 2021, Professor Dr. Sunil Pimprikar sir, to address the audience.
A very bright evening to all of you. Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The most revered chief guest of the function, all other dignitaries and my friends. At this moment, what am I experiencing? So actually, I'm really experiencing this entire synergy, which based on the theme as a convener, we had made E-Credible India. It has been converted to Incredible India. Now, why am I saying so? Because you as the youth, may it be in the form of organizing committee members or may it be in the form of all our participants. So the youth of the further or future of globe, the future India and future globe, you all have really synthesized and integrated yourself with various stakeholders on a construction project. All of us know when all stakeholders really come together, then only a project has a success, and then it is very functional and we get all project outcomes. In a similar manner, you, the youth of the globe, have really demonstrated an excellent integration and interaction with not only faculty members, support staff, alumni and industry mentors. Your judges were, most of the judges were alumni and industry mentors. The sponsors list which our friends showed, they are again our alumni students. Not only that, you have interacted with social organizations. Rotary, I know the mission of Rotary is a service above self. And what is the vision mission of MIT World Peace University? What do we want to do? All of us together, we really want to show that peace is really possible. So peace is possible within us. It is possible in all our interactions, in all our activities which we do. And then this entire community becomes very, very peaceful and a beautiful thought-provoked, direction-led generation. So you have really interacted with all these different stakeholders. Even your parents, you have interacted. How? Because right now you are from home. So all parents, I'm sure, when we were visiting some events also, we could see somewhere some parents are trying to see what children are doing. So not a single stakeholder is left within an interaction of you as students with all the other participants and the industry. So that's why I say that from E-Credible India, we have moved to Incredible India. My earlier speakers have already done most of the job. After me, there is going to be a vote of thanks, but it will be very wrong on my part if I really don't mention the efforts taken by everyone. I understand, but there has to be a proper team leader. So Professor Praveen Minde and his wife, Mrs. Jagruti Minde, of course, Jagruti Minde Patil, we say, They have really strived very hard, and we are really fortunate that in School of Civil Engineering, the next generation, which is coming in the form of such dedicated and committed teachers, and the way they drive and motivate the young students. All our students have only spoken up till now since yesterday. I am speaking today at the end. All of you have witnessed how students have performed. This is not possible until teachers and faculty mentor the students. So certainly they owe a standing ovation. Currently, we cannot do that. At the same time, teachers will direct. But what about Aryan Sharma and his entire team? It was a big challenge. Engineers are known to accept challenges, and that's how, again, it comes back to an outcome which you have got. This was a very big challenge. Everyone has to manage their family members. Someone is ill. Some other duties are happening everywhere in each home. At the same time, this 2 days event, which is a national event, has been done extremely well. Now, what are you going to take away from all this 2 days? So what I feel is, we as a community have sown some seeds in you. Each one of you, when you go out in the professional world, you want to be very accomplished, and you have to certainly be a very qualified engineer, but at the same time, you also have to be a very good human. Remember, we all are basic humans. We are not animals. We claim ourselves to be social animals. I don't know whether animal world has accepted this or not, but we claim ourselves to be social animals. And this is what you are going to take away from here. The competencies, the seeds for which we have sown are N number. To name a few, you have enhanced your technical, technological, software applications, collaborative, behavioral, leadership, management, right? Team building efforts. All these you have really demonstrated. Further, we have seen there were a lot of collaborations done. Communications, without communications, in fact, in this 2 days, there are all remote communications, but even remote communications, how you have done. So you as humans have, again, dealt with whom? You have dealt with machines, right? So artificial intelligence, whatever is there with the machines, you have made excellent use of all that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and you have not only interacted with people, but you have also interacted with machines. And together, you have really demonstrated an excellent success. So now these seeds which you have sown in you, I'm sure each one of you, when you go back, you will really take care of them, nurture them, and grow them. And 5 years down the line, when all of you come back to our portals of MIT World Peace University, we will always see that you have really achieved anything and everything, all the best things in life which are possible, each one of you has attained. Now, all this certainly would not have been possible until and unless there is a complete family spirit. And I'm really indebted to our executive president, sir, VC, sir, Dean, sir, HOS, madam, AHOS, sir. Moreover, there are so many other faculty members, support staff. Not only that, today we know we have really lost, all of us know, those who have interacted with our group captain, Apte sir, all of us, even many students have interacted with him. So we have really lost a very big pillar of MIT World Peace University. But at the same time, this is a journey. Any journey should, I mean, a journey has a starting, it has some pauses, and yeah, a journey should continue. So it's only in that spirit actually, and there are so many outside students in India joining us on this event. We really continued this program. But I really am indebted to all of you. Without you, the participants and all of us, nothing was possible. My friends have already told you that those who have won the prizes, excellent, like you have been acknowledged, and I mean, you can show your photos and you can show all your certificates and the money which will come. The money anyway, I think it was not mentioned directly here, but that will go to your accounts. Our team will be contacting with you. So you have to give your digital accounts, and within a month's maximum time, as early as possible, but maximum time I'm saying, all that money which is told as prizes will be given to you. But I feel each one of you is a winner. Now, why do I say that? I say that because when you had a thought that you want to participate in Nirmiti, that time only you had one. See, if you see in your class, there are at least about 60 or 80 students in every college. How many participate from each class? Maybe 8 or 10. That means you had already won. but you validated that winning by making some efforts, submitting something, then coming here, then getting interaction from all these stakeholders and enriching yourself. So that is how each one of you is a winner. I always say that when a marathon is run, a marathon is a very difficult thing. I mean, most of us don't run even a marathon, but there are so many people who remain at the end. Why? The winners anyway get ahead and everyone claps for them, but they wait for the last person. And when the last person reaches the end and he completes the marathon, so many people acknowledge it and clap. I think this is the success of each one of you as a participant in our Nirmiti event. So of course, after me, there is going to be a vote of thanks. So I'm very happy, and all these blissful moments of Nirmiti 21. This is the 21st year of Nirmiti. Today is Ganpati Bappa's Sankashti Chaturthi, and all of us know he's fond of 21 modaks. So Nirmiti has been like these modaks offered to Lord Ganesha, and I'm sure in this yajna, each one of you has really played a vital role. And with this, I really would like to end my speech, and my best wishes to all of you who are in this session with us for your excellent and happy quality of life in the future. Thank you once again. And if there have been any type of inconvenience caused to you, if there have been any type of hurdles which have been happened, if there has been anything which possibly in your opinion may have been wrong, I really accept that as my responsibility. Please forgive us for anything which we may not have done in a proper manner. Next time, we assure you that we will make it much better. So with this, I end my speech and I hand it over to our student compare. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request the organizing head of Nirmiti 2021, Aryan Sharma, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ishwari. Good evening. Honorable guests, dignitaries, faculty of School of Civil Engineering, special invitees, and my fellow participants and friends. On completion of 21 years of Nirmiti, it's a great privilege and honor for us to have such esteemed personalities with us for this event. I, Aryan Sharma, organizing head of Nirmiti, and honored to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of all the organizers of Nirmiti 2021. I would like to thank our guests and appreciate all our special invitees who have kindly graced our event with their presence. I am grateful to all the participants from different colleges, universities, and institutions, as without their enthusiasm and desire for victory, this event would not have been triumphant. I take this opportunity to convey my respect to Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad and Professor Rahul Karad for their constant guidance at every stage of this event. I further extend my thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. N.T. Rao sir, all the Pro-Vice Chancellors, Dean Professor Prashad D. Khandekar sir, our convener, Professor Dr. Sunil Pimplikar, and co-convener, Professor Praveen Mende, for their constant support, as without them, hosting Nirmiti 2021 would have been impossible. I thank all our sponsors, Jairaj for being the title sponsor of Nirmiti 2021, Rotary Club Sihagat Road, Pune for their support in our symposium, Blueprints, where I would like to specially extend our regards to Mrs. Ashwini Sarkar, Pune Maha Metro, Sarthak Group, Know How, and Campus Times Pune for being our youth and media sponsor for collaborating with Nirmiti and their generosity in helping our event. Last but no means least, I graciously thank all the organizers, committee members, and volunteers, as without their hard work, it would not be possible to manage and produce an engaging digital event with such grandeur. I would like to thank all the staff and faculty members of the School of Civil Engineering for being so supportive and understanding and motivating us constantly throughout the event. Finally, a big thank you to all and everyone who has participated in Nirmiti and contributed in Nirmiti 2021 in any way, no matter how big or small. The success of this event is solely because of you. Thank you so much. And I now request our registration head, Masoom Savewala, to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan. Good evening, all the dignitaries present on this dais. I, Masoom Savewala, would like to express my feelings for Nirmiti 2021. So I have written some few lines. Here I go. निर्मिति सिर्फ एक इवेंट नहीं, त्योहार है। सारे यारों ने साथ आके बनाया एक परिवार है। कल शायद ये त्योहार खत्म हो जाएगा, पर हम सबके दिल में एक छोटा सा घर कर जाएगा। मैं जब भी इस घर को खटखटाऊंगा, तुम सबकी यादों को पाऊंगा। चाहे फिर वो रात 9 बजे वाली कभी बोरिंग सी, कभी मस्ती वाली, तो कभी गुस्से वाली जूम वाली मीटिंग हो, या चाहे डिस्कॉर्ड पर बैठकर रात भर करना चिल। कल फिर सुबह उठकर किसी के पीछे लगना ना होगा। अब कॉल कर करके रजिस्ट्रेशन ला लो, उसका हंगामा ना होगा। कल अब यहाँ हमारा काफिला आना ना होगा। कुछ 3 महीने बाद तो शायद इस कॉलेज को भी हमारा अलविदा होगा, लेकिन अगले साल फिर ये त्योहार आएगा, फिर हम सबके दिलों पे छाएगा, एक बार फिर से हमें बुलाएगा। और इस बार मैं उस सामने वाली सीट पर बैठ के ताली बजाकर इसे मनाऊंगा, और फिर से इस परिवार में जुड़ जाऊंगा। इस परिवार में जुड़ जाऊंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Masum. So now we'll move on to Pasaidan. The Pasaidan is the universal anthem by one of the great saints of India, Sant Jnaneshwar. It is a humble prayer for the well-being of all the creatures as well as for universal peace and harmony. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are all requested to join your hands and close your eyes for the Pasaidan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येने वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषो निमज द्यावे पसाय दान हे जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो विश्व स्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो जे वांछील तो तेला हो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमेजे अलांछन मार्तंडसे तापहीन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्वसुखी पूर्ण होनीति हे लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुखी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये होवावे जी येथ म्हणी श्री विश्वेश्वरावो हा होईल दान पसावो येणे बरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, I would like to conclude our valedictory function. We hope to seek your participation for the coming years of Nirmiti. Let us all meet in this post-pandemic world and come together to celebrate Nirmiti with same zest and enthusiasm. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, all the faculties, presented guest, Imbrikar sir, HOS, Magar Patil sir, Bokil madam, and all the faculties from civil engineering. I would like to thank everyone for your presence. I also would like to thank organizing team and all the participants around the globe. So thank you everyone. So see you all next year.